You're looking for a healthy Valentine's Day dinner recipe that's great for improving gut bacteria and mental health? Keep watching. In this video, I'll show you how to make an easy empanadas recipe that's gluten-free, dairy-free, and includes 2 essential oils for fabulous flavor and improving digestion. Healthy is simple. Let's start with the dough, and with almond flour, we're going to pack it lightly and use 3 cups, plus a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of cold butter sliced. Now cut that in, whether it's machine or by hand, until it's crumbly, then add the 2 beaten eggs and blend again. This makes a really nice soft dough, and we are going to put this in the refrigerator and chill while we make our filling. So, in a large saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium red onion diced, 1/4 cup of canned green chili, 3 cloves garlic minced. Then we're going to saute it just for a few minutes to soften our onions. Now let's add 2 cups of cooked chicken, a teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, teaspoon salt, 2 drops coriander essential oil, and 2 drops black pepper essential oil. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of frozen peas, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, and then combine it all together so it's well mixed. Now I like to remove it from the stove and put it in a bowl now and add 1 cup of non-dairy cheese. I like the Veal Life brand. It's the cleanest and tastiest. Now let's head over and make our dough. So we're going to take just a small piece of dough and put it between 2 pieces of parchment paper, roll it out, take one side off, turn it over, and take the other side out. Then we're going to cut it with a heart cutter, and we're going to do 2 of those, of course, so that we have a top and a bottom. Then I like to put this in just a dish with a little bit of a dip, and then add our filling, put the top on, and use a fork to mash those sides together really nice. And you'll see how this comes together really nicely. This batch makes 7 or 8 of them, depending on how big you make these. Then we are going to put them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for only about 12 to 15 minutes. And then they're done. Oh my, they're so nice and tasty. You're gonna love this. Healthy is simple. If you struggle with gut health and emotional health, please ask your questions in the comments below. Then like and subscribe. And be sure to download my free guide, Say Goodbye to Brain Fog Swap List, below. This is an excellent place to start, so do it now, and thank you for watching.